Welcome to today's session. We'll start in next 2 to 5 minutes once people start joining us. And today we will have a question and answer session for everyone who was listening till today. I know I was able to answer your queries, but let's today we will do a what you call as we will start understanding about what is there in your mind, what you are thinking about, what questions you have, and how I can able to answer the queries for you according to my experiences. So, friends, let's see and hear from you, and let me see who all have already joined today's session. So I know, friends, I have changed the time for today. We were supposed to meet at 12 o'clock, but we had a live session on the Hello Kids page, and today we had a very wonderful session on Hello Kids page, which was live, and there was a fitness expert, and she was live from Pune for all the Hello Kids parents, students, teachers, owners, and the friends across India. They were all seeing us live, and it was an awesome event today. So we are expecting to reach 1 lakh people by tomorrow evening. That they will be able to see the videos and they'll be able to see what all we did today on the online platform of Hello Kids. So welcome Soman. I really welcome you to the what you call as our question and answer session for the day. So we will take some time and then we'll start the queries. Shovan, if you have any queries regarding any of the franchisee process, franchise schools, franchise models, and the queries as a franchisee, I will definitely love to answer this. I know because of change in timing, people have not joined us so far. So we'll wait some time and then we will start. Yak. I have got Manoj. We have got Manoj joining from Tirupati. I think Manoj is from Tirupati and he has joined us now. How are you doing, Manoj? How are things at your end? How is your city going on? Is it strict or this is almost normal? A very good evening, Mr. Ashish. कैसे हो आशीष जी? How are you doing and how is your city doing? So there are people joining to us, and yes, we will take it forward in next 2, 3, 5 minutes. And today we will not take the session for long. I'll be able to take only the questions and answers. I will take only the questions from you and I will answer according to my experiences and the Hello Kids. We will talk about, yes, it is a very good question that how we will do a boost of admissions after the lockdown. I have a very good answers for you, Shobhan. We'll wait for people to understand. I'm good, Pritam. It is usual. Stuck in lockdown but not so severe. All right. So Manoj is from Tirupati and he's saying that he's stuck in lockdown but not severe in this thing. So Balaji is saying good here in Bangalore. So sir, namaste, good here, Bangalore. No, I'm saying how are you doing at your location, Balaji? How strict your location is? Because I do not have a topic for the day. I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to solve your queries. If you have any queries in mind, anything, what all we have discussed so far, before I ask you to sign up by tomorrow. The tomorrow session I'll take it as sign up with Hello Kids. So we can definitely discuss on any topic, the requirements, the space, the fee structures, the profitability, the government rules and regulations, the setup, the investment, the marketing, the Facebook, the Google. And Shobhan has just asked, right? I will take that Shobhan's question also, that how we will boost admission post lockdown. Friends, there will be a lot of Bangalore is, yes, Balaji, to be very sure, whatever I will to see on news, that is Bangalore. We are really not going out of our house, and yes, we all stay in a joint family, and there is one person who goes early in the morning around 6:30 and gets vegetable and milk for us on everyday basis. That's it. Nobody else is out since what you call as the lockdown. The lockdown day, we are still at home. So friends, let's start for the session. So I will request Manoj, I will request Ashish, I will request Balaji, right? I will take Shobhan's question also, but I will take any of this question from Ashish, Balaji, anyone who is really seeing with us wants to write a question for us. Shobhan, the situation is that how to boost admission after lockdown. Shobhan, you have plenty of time with you right now. We have plenty of time for all the team members. We have plenty of time for all the management. We have plenty of time for all the teachers, and even our kids and the parents have plenty of time, right, to do marketing for you. This is the right time when nobody is able to do any marketing offline. No brands, no schools are able to do any marketing outside this thing. So be very strong, do plan a well marketing strategies right now for online. Either it can be online Facebook or a Google marketing, or it is your online activities what you are doing right now, or it is how to engage your existing students so that the parents are there with you till the lockdown is over. There should be a constant touch, there should be a constant engagement with the students till the lockdown is over. Doesn't matter it was a summer vacation, doesn't matter it is May, June while every school is closed, right? I know Shobhan, you already have a setup with you, right? And this is the time when you get all the people aware of your brand, speak more, do more, be connected with all the parents in and around your school areas, so that once the lockdown is over, the only brand it is in mind is Hello Kids, the only brand it is your own school name. Friends, this is what we have communicated to all of our branches, and we have launched it also yesterday, that our online sessions, right, can be attended by any parents without taking admissions to Hello Kids till June, till May end. Right friends? They can come to Hello Kids, they can call us, and they can join our daily. So we do not have a daily session. Every alternate days, Monday, Wednesday and Fridays, the teachers will engage the child with their sessions. And Tuesdays and Thursdays, there will be some live sessions on the Hello Kids page. So we are expecting that the COVID will bring more admissions to us because we had a proper marketing. Second thing is, the bad news is a lot of schools, those who are not properly done, those who are expenses were very high, the salaries were very high, the rentals were very high, and if they will not be able to sustain because of the April, May and June close down, because of rentals and salaries and whatever the reason it is. I'm expecting that this industry will, that branches those who are not doing very well may close down, and that numbers can go up to around 20-30%. If the 20-30% of the schools will close down, existing schools, right, or the new schools who will join after the COVID-19 will have more and more admissions. It is the sustainability which will play a role after the COVID-19 lockdown, that we will get more admission and more admissions. It is not that the parents do not want to send. Even if parents are waiting, this is the only industry right now where somebody is really waiting for the COVID-19 to get over so that we can send the child. You are not only concerned about COVID-19 and school is closed down, even the parents are bothered about sending their child to the school. Even academic is very important in everybody's life. Even a parent is really concerned that the child is not going to school. It is not that only a COVID is the only fear. Even the lockdown is the fear in his parents' mind, right? As soon as it gets over, definitely there will be some areas where there will be little restrictions, but there are a lot of areas, a lot of villages, a lot of towns, even I do not think that it will be closed down for so long, right? So you do plan very well so that you will be able to reach to the parents, and you will be able to, what to call as, that will be, this is one of the important requirement after healthcare right now, education, right? Even I am saying, even we are all closed, we are having everyday engagements. So this engagement is what? This is almost like a school without a fees right now, that's it. You cannot ask for a fees, but yes, parents are ready to engage themselves. So admissions will definitely come after the COVID-19. बट थोड़ा सा मार्केटिंग एफर्ट्स अभी करना है आपको, क्योंकि अचानक से स्कूल खोलेगा, अचानक से पेरेंट्स भी भेजना शुरू नहीं भी करेंगे तो भी धीरे धीरे आपके पास एडमिशंस आएंगे. दिस इज विल बी ए प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, राइट? इफ योर ब्रांड हैज गॉट ए प्रेजेंस in the mind of the parent that yes, this school was there, this school was doing some activities, this school was online, they were in touch with us, the students was interacting with the teacher on every week basis, every daily basis kind of thing. So yes, and whatever you do friends, the world is watching you. Whatever you do, the world is watching you. You do not think that nobody is watching you. Somebody is following you. Somebody is watching you, and you need to understand that there are, if you do good, if you are doing your hard work, if you are doing it with a proper planning, you are going to get benefit out of it. If you think that this is a summer vacation time and let's not do anything, we do not have any teachers in hand, we do not have any, see friends, we have reached to a small village where the population is 5,000, right? You check out, there is a branch of Hello Kids in a small town called Dharamgarh in Orissa, right? We have small town in Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, where we were able to take the online classes to the children, and they were super excited, right? I know this is nothing very new and big for people, those who are staying in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, but think about that small town where the parents and the child is engaged and waiting for that video call, that video conferencing, that engagement with other children. Talking to me in a friends or a family as a video conferencing is totally different, but there are 10-12 children at one go. मिजनूर रहमान सर, मिजनूर सर आप कहां से हो? मिजानूर रहमान सर आप कहां से हो? आई थिंक आई एम एबल टू सी यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आपका हमारे ग्रुप में हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं, और प्लीज लेट अस नो अबाउट योर लोकेशन एंड द स्टेट, एंड प्लीज वॉच ऑल आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस. Anybody has got any other queries? Ashish ji, Manoj ji, Ashish, Manoj, Balaji, if you have any queries. I am from capital of Nepal. All right, Rajendra Shrestha ji. All right. Oh yes, very very important that we have started doing some marketing for Nepal. We have started getting some inquiries. We are going to be there with them by in a day or two. We'll have a separate session for Nepal. Everyone from Nepal too. Rajendra ji, we will send you the details shortly, and we'll keep on sending our details to you. Rajendra ji, I will suggest you that you should go ahead and see all our videos in this group. So thank you so much Mr. Rajendra to join us, and please go through all the 7-8 videos what we have it in this group, so that it will give you a immense information about how to start a preschool, what is required, what is the space required, how many people is required, how to do marketing, what are the benefits, what is Hello Kids, what is the training. So you will be able to understand everything. So देवाशीष जी, कोई सवाल है आपके लिए? आप कैसे हो? Yes, Pooja ji, I was able to see that you are already running a school and you want to upgrade it, right? So Pooja ji, आप अपग्रेड मतलब अपना ही स्कूल को अपग्रेड करना चाहते हो कि आप हेलो किड्स को चेंज करना चाहते हो, अपने स्कूल को चेंज करके हेलो किड्स करना चाहते हो? ऑल राइट, मिजानू सर इज फ्रॉम असम. मिजानूर, आपने कोई वीडियो देखा हमारा? मिजानूर सर, हैव यू सीन एनी ऑफ आवर वीडियोस? पूजा जी, आपने हमारा कुछ वीडियोस देखे हैं? पूजा जी, आपने हमारे कितने वीडियोस देखे हैं? राजेंद्र सर, पूजा जी मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं, आपने यस सर लिखा है, आपको लिखना है you want to upgrade your existing school only or you want to go with Hello Kids to upgrade it? Everybody write how many videos seen. You can write 7 videos seen, 5 videos seen, all videos seen. Please, everybody who is really watching, please write how many videos you have seen. Pooja Batra ji, I will be able to help you, right? If you want to change your school to Hello Kids, that is possible. If you want to upgrade your school to Hello Kids, you will start using Hello Kids name, you will be able to start Hello Kids curriculum, you will be able to start Hello Kids student kit, and you will be able to understand the correct curriculum and training of Hello Kids. You can definitely be a part of Hello Kids. All videos seen. Thank you so much Mr. Balaji. That's really nice. So everybody has to write please. How many videos seen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 videos, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write the numbers or you have to write all videos seen. If you have really seen all the videos, I think you have a clear picture of what a preschool is, how a preschool starts, how a preschool run, and how to make a preschool successful. Pooja Batra ji, I am expecting you that please do not take much time and see all the videos as soon as possible. आशीष जी, बहुत सारे बिजनेस बंद हो जाएंगे, बहुत सारे बिजनेस खुलेंगे, एंड इट इज योर डिसीजन, राइट? खोलना है नहीं खोलना, मैं तो हमेशा बोलूंगा आपको खोलना है. एंड बिजनेस करते समय आप अगर बहुत सोचोगे, देयर आर बिजनेस दैट डे आई वाज टॉकिंग टू यू, आई नो यू हैव ए पैशन, आई नो यू हैव ए इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट? Now it is to jump, right? And jump with a brand which I was talking to you. खोलना है तो खोलना है, नहीं खोलना है तो नहीं खोलना है. There is no ifs and buts. If you have ifs and buts, you have to find out that solution. क्या if है, क्या but है, right? Friends, ऐसा नहीं है कि businesses will not happen. Now India is going to a phase which is lockdown phase. But friends, if you are aware of a business, India is going to have a better position in terms of a world business economy. We are going to get more and more businesses after COVID-19. If you are aware of the news that we Indian are going to get more and more businesses from across the world. People want to discontinue China, people want to export, the government is already promoting, right? Promoting our brands and products. You need to understand. आशीष जी, हिम्मत चाहिए सर. आपका जो सवाल है, आप ही का हिम्मत चाहिए. करना है स्कूल तो करना है. ये वो बिजनेस नहीं है प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज ए लीगेसी विच यू आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट. ए स्कूल, हेल्थ केयर एंड द स्कूल, राइट? यू नो टू थिंग्स. One is healthcare, another business which is will be definitely be there. Friends, मैं आपको एक चीज और बता दूं. ये जो एजुकेशन है आज से 2 साल, 3 साल, 10 साल, 20 साल, एजुकेशन विल रिमेन, राइट? टीचर्स विल रिमेन, ट्रेनर्स विल रिमेन, राइट? Videos will be there, classrooms may not be there or not, but there will be online education also even after 10-20 years. Parents has to pay, parents has to go. And बच्चे को तो जाना है, आपको समझना है. That is the first step of learning. A child has to go out. ठीक है, अभी COVID-19 है, वो बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहा है. उसके बाद क्या? उसके बाद क्या? Do you want to do that? एक लेवल के बाद मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना, मुझे कॉलेज नहीं जाना, मुझे क्लास नहीं जाना. पर द इनिशियल बिगिनिंग ईयर्स, क्या उस 1.5 साल के बच्चों को आप घर के अंदर बैठ के पढ़ा सकते हो? Can you give that thing right now? Yes, because of COVID, we are inside, we are making them learn, we are making them connected. एजुकेशन से कनेक्ट रखना चाहते हैं हम, बताना चाहते हैं कि यस, एक स्कूल होता है, एक टीचर होती है, उसको हम कनेक्शन रखना चाहते हैं. Mijunur sir, please read, please go through all the ऑल राइट. आप अपना वॉलेंट्री रिटायरमेंट लेके स्कूल चालू करना चाहते हो और एमए इन एजुकेशन हो. मिजनूर सर, प्लीज मेरे सारे वीडियोस को देखिए और मेरे नेक्स्ट सेशन से पहले देख लीजिए, कल से पहले प्लीज देख लीजिए, राइट? और मैं पूजा मैडम को भी बोलूंगा, पूजा जी प्लीज. वैभव जी आप कभी भी इस प्री स्कूल को चालू कर सकते हो, एनी टाइम. आपको जो इनिशियल एडमिशन्स मिलेंगे वो 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 इयर्स के बच्चे मिलेंगे और वो आपको थ्रू आउट द ईयर मिलेंगे. एलकेजी यूकेजी के बच्चे आपके पास फर्स्ट ईयर नहीं मिलेंगे. यस, I will give it to you, madam. My number, I am going to write it here. This is my personal number. You can call me, you can text me first. Text me between 6:30 to 8:30, 6:30 to 8:30. I will definitely call you back. You write that I am attending your Facebook training and I think I will be able to recognize your name also. Pooja Batra or anybody, whoever wants to talk to me. I have a call pending with Hemant. He is a regular listener to us and I could not talk to him yesterday. So I am going to give him a call today as a priority, that I am going to talk to Hemant today from Orissa, Jajpur Road. Friends, any other queries? Friends, good evening. Good evening, Hemant. We were talking about you and you are there. So Amanta, I really missed your call yesterday. I could not call you back and today I am going to call you. Friends, any other questions you have? Friends, please watch my videos. स्कूल खोलना है नहीं खोलना वो सेकेंडरी है, पर मेरे वीडियोस को जरूर देखिए. So Mehtab Alam ji, you are from Bokaro, Jharkhand. All right, Mr. Alam sir, we already have branches in Bokaro. You can definitely log into our head office page, our brand page www.hellokids.co.in. अपना नियरेस्ट ब्रांच आप जरूर देख सकते हो लॉकडाउन के बाद. और आप, मेहताब आलम जी, आप प्लीज मेरे सारे वीडियोस को देखिए. आई एम गोइंग टू रिप्लाई एवरीबडी टुडे दैट वॉच ऑल द वीडियोस. आशीष जी, मुझे आपका समझ में, आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट योर क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन. I'm not getting your question, Mr. Ashish. It's not clear to me that what you are trying to ask me. Yes, sir. Assam, we have Golaghat, we have Guwahati. Guwahati, we have one already in Srinagar. There is a branch, there is an area called Srinagar in Guwahati. I was there last month before the lockdown, not last month, February I was there. And there is another branch opening shortly in Guwahati. They are already paid to us. There is a second branch opening shortly in Guwahati. And we have Golaghat in Guwahati. So we already have two branches running. And we have Siliguri. Siliguri is in West Bengal or this thing, Assam. So we have Siliguri, we have two branches. We have Silchar, we have Imphal, we have Manipur, we have Meghalaya, we have Itanagar. So we are doing almost 10-12 centers in Northeast right now. Yes, we are getting a good response from Northeast this year. So we are expecting around 20-30 centers to be ready before December this year for Northeast. Definitely will reach 20-30 numbers by December in Northeast. So Silchar branch is doing very good. Tamenglong, Moirong. Tamenglong is there in Imphal, Manipur, right? Tamenglong some place. We have a Imphal branch, we have a Moirong. There is again 20-30 kilometers from Imphal. So I was there for Manipur branches, and I was there for Guwahati branches last February. And we have Silchar, we have Itanagar, we have Golaghat. So we have, as I told you, right, we had Siliguri. To Siliguri we have two branches. Friends. Now, Ashish, I am going to answer you some questions, right? I am asking you that, friends, every brand, every businesses do come with his own strategy. Friends, अगर एरिया में schools नहीं हैं तो you are the only, you have everything to talk about. When in area there are a lot of different brands already in the area, and you want to start the next school. So naming a brand is fine. So you are talking about, Ashish is talking about, there is a Hero Kids, there is a Kidji. So I'm not saying that we will not be able to compete with them. But yes, I am going to ask you some questions before you start in that place with the fee structure and everything. So Ashish, what we are trying to see is, so you said there is already two brands. So we will find out how big is their premises, what is the infrastructure quality in terms of rating. Let's say if I give you 5-star rating, how you will perceive the other two schools. उनका rating क्या है, वो कितने साल से school चला रहे हैं, how long they are running the school, how many students they have, what kind of features and facilities they have, how is the owner doing, what they marketing they do have a counselor or not, they do have a security guard or not, what kind of fee structure they have, and how long they are running it. So if you tell us some of the strategies, depending upon that strategies, we decide our strategies. कभी हम उनसे फीस कम रखते हैं, कभी हम उससे फीस ज़्यादा रखते हैं. उनकी बिल्डिंग छोटी है, हमारी बिल्डिंग ज़्यादा है, तो हमें फीस कम रखनी है. वो ज़्यादा सालों से हैं तो हम इमीडिएटली उनसे कम्पीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी नीड टू बी देयर फॉर सम टाइम टू कम्पीट. तो हमें सबकी पहले पता करना है. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट एवरीबडी दैट व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, व्हाट दे हैव, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे आर डूइंग इट. सो वंस वी नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, we design a strategy and give it to you. We'll discuss with you कि वहां पे क्या करना है, फीस कम करना है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बड़ा करना है, मार्केटिंग अच्छा करना है, उनकी गलतियां को ढूंढना है. If you are able to understand their mistake, and if you do that, even that can be your USP. And friends, when we have such big brands in front of us, we generally see and talk about a lot of benefits, a lot of USPs when we talk about कि हमारे पास ये, see it is like मेरे पास भी है is important, मेरे पास नहीं है मतलब that is gone, मेरे पास भी है कम से कम होना चाहिए, right? It is even to have that thing when you have other people in the area. Oh, visit Jagdalpur Bastar. पूजा बत्रा जी, दिस इज रियली नॉट पॉसिबल. आप मुझे वीडियो में बस्तर दिखा दो, अपने स्कूल्स दिखा दो, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. यू टेक ए वीडियो राउंड टू योर स्कूल, मुझे दिखा दो, मैं आपका फेसबुक देख के जान जाऊंगा कि व्हाट ऑल यू आर डूइंग इट. Friends, everybody understand it that this you need at least 3 to 5 7 lakhs rupees according to your area. एक ब्रांड के साथ आपको 2-4-5 लाख रुपए देना पड़ेगा, प्लस यू नीड टू हैव 1 or 2 or 3 lakhs rupees एक्स्ट्रा इन हैंड. तो आप ये मान के चलिए कि आपको नेक्स्ट 1 year में यू नीड एटलीस्ट दैट 3 to 5 lakhs or 7 lakhs rupees डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एरिया. रूरल में हो तो आप मान के चलिए 3-4 लाख रुपए चाहिए टोटल इन 1 year. और थोड़ा से अर्बन से भी अर्बन में हो तो यू नीड अराउंड लेट्स से 5-7 lakhs rupees, राइट? तो उतना तो चाहिए सर. See, fees we decide in a lot of reason. Fees we decide as brands. We talk about infrastructure. We talked about competition. We talk about expenditures. We talk about the distance of the next school. So there are a lot of things. How many years of the people are already, other schools are running in how many years, how many students they have. So according to their fees, according to the local school fees, we decide the fee structures. We will ask for some information from you. आप हमें कुछ information दोगे. Once you give that information to us, आप वो information हमें देने के बाद you and me will decide that कि क्या होना चाहिए. या तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा, our team समापिका generally do that. We will suggest the fee structures to you after your information to us. Once we give you some suggestion, you have to decide. You have the right to decide, you have the right to change. Head office will never decide the fee structure of any other schools across India. Friends, we have 95-96 centers in Bangalore. Only inside Bangalore we have 95-96 centers, and there is all fee structures are different. We only say that you should have, right, what you call as student kids fees are same but nothing else. Hello Kids will never decide fee structure. Hello Kids will only suggest you how the fee structure should be, because we do not have royalty. When a brand do charge royalty, they decide the fee structures. We do not have royalty, so we do not decide the fee structure. Any other queries? पूजा जी, आप कौन सा स्कूल चला रहे हो, कितने साल से चला रहे हो और कितने बच्चे हैं? यस पूजा जी. ऑल राइट. सो आशीष जी, कल का सेशन सुन लीजिए. कल का सेशन हम साइन अप का सेशन है, राइट? हम बताएंगे कि आपको अभी कितना पैसा देना है. ज्वाइन अस, join our teachers training and honors training, start doing some marketing, right? And start the session according to after the lockdown. Either we will start by let's say August or September, July, August, September. July end के बाद हम process चालू कर सकते हैं. September, October, before the Dasara and Diwali. You are from Gujarat, right? आपके यहाँ पे दिवाली के बाद बहुत सारे admissions होते हैं, दिवाली पे, दिवाली छुट्टियों के बाद. So we will start August, September, or we will not start in November, December, we'll start in January. So आप जो भी हमें एक initial पैसा दोगे अभी, right, 59,000 we are asking. So that 59,000 you will be able to start learning from tomorrow, right? And you can attend our honors training and teachers training, and you can start doing some branding online that you are opening shortly. You are coming shortly in a place. If your building is ready, we can do that. Otherwise, we can put the area into that. And we can launch the school once the lockdown is over, and we can take the process. That will explain it to you tomorrow. कितने बच्चे हैं पूजा मैडम 2 साल में? 2 years, 35 students. What is your rent? Own building? Is this your own building? Pooja madam, 2 years, 35 students. Not a good number. Is it your own building? Yes, I am able to see that. 2 years, 35,000 will be 100% loss. 95% of the schools, they are not able to revive in the first 3 years. What marketing you have done? Rental. You are not able to recover your rental also right now. What marketing you have done? How much you have spent on marketing in 2 years? आशीष जी, स्कूल खोलते ही आपको ज्यादा टीचर्स मिल जाएंगे बच्चों से. As soon as you open a school, you will start getting more of teachers inquiry than students. Don't worry. Caretakers ढूंढना है आपको बस अच्छे से. Caretakers, finding caretakers is more difficult than finding teachers. That is the truth of this industry. आप बोर्ड लगा लो, आपके पास टीचर्स ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएंगे. केयरटेकर्स आपको ढूंढने जाना पड़ेगा. पूजा मैडम, not too much. That is the problem here. How much money you have spent in 2 years for marketing? मेहताब आलम जी, all right, welcome sir. आप कहां से हो मिस्टर मेहताब आलम सर? Pooja madam, how much money you have spent in 2 years for marketing for your school? कैसे चलेगा मैडम? रेंट भर रहे हो, सैलरी दे रहे हो. Resume comes more than students. See, Ashish Shingla, she is there with me. Pooja Batra is there to support me in terms of my words. Ashish Shingla, I need a thumbs up. Ashish Shingla, I need a thumbs up after Pooja madam's answer. Resume comes more than students. पूजा मैडम, मुझे अमाउंट बताइए. अमाउंट कितना पैसा आपने लगाया मार्केटिंग पे? हाउ मच मनी यू हैव स्पेंट ऑन मार्केटिंग इन 2 years? I am looking for a figure. Figure is amount. Thank you, Ashish. Pooja ji, how much money you have spent on marketing, and do you have any other branded preschool in your area? Jagdalpur, you are saying. Jagdalpur is in Chhattisgarh or MP, right? I think it is in Chhattisgarh. So, the distance, this is for Mr. Mehtab Alam, Bokaro. We will make sure that you are 3-4 kilometers away from our existing schools. पूजा मैडम, कैसे होगा? 50,000 रुपए में आपको एडमिशन कैसे मिलेंगे? Pooja madam, is there any other brand in your area? Brand means any national brand in your area. And 40-50,000 rupees in 2 years is nothing. It's like peanuts. आप प्लीज मेरे मार्केटिंग वाले वीडियोस को देखिएगा. आपने कितना किलोमीटर टारगेट किया था? आपने कहां कहां मार्केटिंग किया था? आपके स्कूल से लेके हाउ फार यू वेंट टू डू मार्केटिंग? कितना किलोमीटर तक आप मार्केटिंग करने गए थे? पूजा मैडम, इज देयर एनी अदर ब्रांड इन योर एरिया? लास्ट ईयर वन स्कूल स्टार्टेड नियर माई स्कूल. इज इज दैट ए ब्रांडेड प्री स्कूल? क्या वो एक ब्रांड था या अगेन ए लोकल स्कूल? पूजा मैडम आपको थोड़ा सा टाइप ज्यादा फास्ट फास्ट करना पड़ेगा. So it is a branded preschool. How many students they have, Pooja madam? All right, thank you, Moonstone. Okay, is a brand or it is a local brand somewhere? All right, no issues. We will take up this this thing, friends. I request you all that before you come for tomorrow's session, right, friends? It is very, very important to understand. Friends, Pooja ji, I have given you my phone number, and you can definitely give me a call and SMS, and we will talk between 6:30 to 8:30 after Hemanta's call. So I will take down Hemanta's call today. And friends, please, please, please see my video before attending tomorrow's session. मेरा वीडियो सारे देख लीजिए, then only you should attend tomorrow's session, because I am going to ask you to sign up tomorrow's session. And then we will see, I will take some calls from this group, right? And I am already making a group to send people to level 2. So I will send some people to level 2, and let's see how we will continue in this group. So the timing I'm going to change after tomorrow. Tomorrow we will meet up same time, tomorrow afternoon 12 o'clock, right? Friends, we generally meet every day at 12. So we are all going to meet tomorrow 12 o'clock to sign up Hello Kids. So those who are really planning to attend the session to sign up Hello Kids, so I'm going to tell you the procedure, and that is how we can sign up Hello Kids. And the rest is the people, those who have really not seen all the videos, see all the videos and attend the tomorrow's session, or stay tuned to the group. We will see how we can continue and how we can repeat that sessions. Right, friends? So I'll try to repeat the sessions, friends. So thank you so much, friends, for joining today. And I know there was no great discussion today. I wanted to take some questions. And tomorrow we will sign up, and the next day onwards we will continue the sessions on these different topics again, what we have already covered for the new people. And for existing, I'm going to set up level 2's course, level 2's to join after tomorrow's session. Right, friends? And friends, those who are really looking to start Hello Kids, please do plan by tomorrow that you are going to sign up, because I am going to announce it. Ruby madam, Ashish, Manoj, Devashish, Hemanta, and all other old friends, there will be something very special for you all tomorrow. So if you are really planned, so do plan for the payment also, so that attending tomorrow's sign up will help you to sign up Hello Kids and start the school anytime before December, no issues. So stay tuned for tomorrow, sign up day for Hello Kids, sign up day for Hello Kids, and the sign up day of Hello Kids. Thank you.